Welcome back, guys. So a big thanks to all of you for helping me reach a tiny milestone on this channel, and as a way to commemorate it, I thought this would be a great time to revisit the very first video that started this channel. And let's be honest, that video definitely needed an audio upgrade. So this episode will be an update to my ever-growing Black Falcon collection, and there are a handful of new items I've designed specifically for this video too, so enjoy! So starting with the breastplates. These items are actually new to the faction. Here's the original piece I've designed, which keeps things simple, and I definitely still like it. But here's an updated design with additional detailing, particularly to the collar area. The gorget detail is actually a unique style to the Falcons. So here's a look at the armor with the strap and back scabbard, which is actually a slight upgrade from the original that you saw in the first episode. And this knife holder armor comes with a new mini falcon emblem on the left side of the chest, making it unmistakably a Black Falcon accessory. This one right here is an experimental design mashing the Lego scarf piece and the breastplate. I think you'll be able to tell that the inspiration comes from the new castle that became a finalist for the Bricklink Designer program. I do sometimes struggle to come up with new designs, but I realize that climate and environment can bring about new design variations, which will hopefully keep my accessories unique and interesting in the future. Next up are some familiar elements, I'm sure, but some of these were never touted as Black Falcon specific. And going back to my design philosophy, I always design accessories to be compatible with each other, allowing for new items to seamlessly combine with older designs. Overall, this helps me continue to expand the library of items that can further diversify my armies and give characters more personality. So I usually consider the collar and bow piece to be a set, and they work well for archers and peasants. I actually like this look so much, they make a regular appearance in my displays. Here are a couple helmets and visors. This one is a slight remix of the old style knight visor, but with slightly added texturing to allow for paint applications to further differentiate knights from each other. This is another piece carrying over from a past video. I just think it works well for the Falcons in the black paint scheme, and as many other visors, these are compatible with the LEGO motorcycle helmet. Now, this visor does need a proprietary helmet, but this is one of those rare instances. I felt the curved design wouldn't be well articulated had I made it compatible with the motorcycle helmet. This pignose helmet was initially designed for the Line Knights, but after seeing an all-black version, it's hard to keep it exclusive to one faction. Oh, and sorry about that shake. I think someone was walking around in the house. Here's a new item, a small upgrade to the official conical helmet, allowing you to add a plume. I think this will help to signify ranks among regular soldiers, or just to simply diversify the army. And this was a great opportunity to introduce a falcon-themed plume designed after the classic dragon plume. It may look like it sits too high on some helmets, but dimensionally, these are smaller than the reference material, so I feel it's not a big deal. Finally, here are some miscellaneous items, starting off with the waist cape piece. I think these work well to bulk up a minifig, and it might work well especially in winter scenes now that that's on the table. And this belt scabbard piece I designed, as simple as it is, was a surprising hit in my store. I designed it with utility and aesthetic in mind, which meant I had to compromise a little on durability. But as a display element, I think it works great. Here's a little bonus, which is the pouch accessory designed specifically for the falconer. Here's a look at another variant for the falcon shield, with texturing to allow for that iconic black and silver paint scheme. So as I grow my collection of custom accessories, I'm finally getting to the point where I have a healthy variation of armor and helmets. You can see just how varied some of these knights can look, and what's great is they can always be painted to match the faction of your choice. And of course, different armor sets can now further differentiate roles among your army, including archers, mounted units, and other special soldiers. This is a look at the progression in my designs. Here's the official LEGO figure with official pieces. Here's a look at my original armor set for the Black Falcons as seen in my first video. Now that I have a bit more experience in painting and designing, here's how I designed the Black Falcon Knights today. I'm actually super excited for the mountain fortress, and as you can see, I've already started building a small group of falcons who will likely reside within its walls. I imagine I'll be scrounging for capes and other accessories that'll work well in that biome. And for those who might not enjoy the look of customs, here's a more muted approach towards army building. Even one soldier with a slight design change does bring more character, right? Anyways, thanks for watching guys. And I haven't done this in a while, but I actually have a sneak peek for the next episode, so definitely stay tuned for that.